Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and we've just finished styling this media room. We've used the modular loft sofa from Oz Design Furniture, and it is a ripper. These are all individual pieces, so you can create what you want, and it was perfect for this room because, as you can see, it's a pretty large room. It's a media room, and we wanted something with a U shape in this media room, and we wanted to tuck it all the way to the back and all the way to the sides of the walls. So it ended up fitting perfectly with the amount of pieces that we had. You know, if in your home you've got a growing family and you start with, you know, a two-seater and you end up having a couple more kids or one more kid, it's actually the perfect lounge because you can just keep extending it. It's also perfect because you can rip off these covers, you can take them to the dry cleaner, get them cleaned, pop them back on. It's a pretty amazing lounge.